Good morning. I'm Phil Webb, co-owner of Webb Properties Group, a real estate company located in Norman, Oklahoma. I want to tell you about our company. Well, we are a full-service real estate office. We handle residential real estate, property management, commercial properties, and investment properties. We believe in service. That is not just a cliche. We hope to deliver beyond your highest expectations every time we meet. We work for you. There are three things I'd like to talk about today. One, a website, which you'll see on the screen as webpropertiesgroup.us, is a website we've put together with a ton of resources that are available to you at no charge, from buyer's guides to seller guides to all kinds of tips and things that are very beneficial to you when you're getting ready to do a real estate transaction. Second, we have a Facebook group called Webb Properties Group. And you'll see on the screen, the middle line gives you what you could put into the search bar to get to our group page. Come, it's open to the public, join. We will be putting tons of information there. Also, we plan on doing this YouTube presentation every Thursday, and we'll be covering different topics every week. We're here for you. Go to our regular business page on Facebook, like us, come join our Facebook group page. We're here for you. We've got ways to help you in whatever you're trying to do in the matter of real estate. And we want to become your friend. We want to interview for the job to represent you. So until next week, I want to say have a good day, have a good rest of the week, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.